Hey guys, welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I want to talk about how to build a position using options. Now keep in mind, this strategy may not be for everybody, okay? And this is not in any sort of way any kind of investment advice, okay? So there's a couple things that I do when I look at building a position on options. So I look at how a stock has been moving, right? So I'm going to talk about Amazon in particular. So by the way, I'm using Thinkorswim and their on-demand feature to backtest my strategy, okay? So this I'm already in my live trading account. So I just wanted to show you guys how I found the success in this. So what I saw in Amazon was on in April, it was trading at a level where it was breaking its previous resistance and peaks, and it was pushing higher, right? So what I did, I took a risk and I traded April 4,500 strike Amazon contracts. Okay. And now, sorry, October 4,500 strike. Now, my risk initially here is 3,800 because one options contract is always multiplied by 100. So if it's $38, it's times 100. Okay. So if we look at this and I just take this position here and I put it down and I do confirm and send, so I'm taking a risk of $3,835. Okay. So this is my risk, this is my maximum loss, my max profit is infinite. Okay, so I'm gonna send this. The order's filled. So now, obviously, if I fast forward, I just want to show you guys what happens to the premium of Amazon. Okay, so keep in mind, I have 6 months till expiry. I have two earnings to get through for Amazon, one in July, one in October, possibly. Okay, so if I and usually closer to those time frames, my logic is when earnings come, there is usually some sort of move, and there is volatility increase, so the options premiums do go up. So what I'm looking for is, even if I'm wrong, I'm expecting volatility to protect my decay a little bit here. Okay, so if we look at this as of June 7th. This is fast forwarding, sorry, to June 8th here. So you guys can see the timestamp at the bottom. So Amazon, you can see a couple of things here, right? It came down from when we bought it at this price, went up a little bit, came back down. Now it's at this level, right? Now, at this price, where's my premium? Like, where's my options trading at? So my options contract is trading very, very low right now, right? It went from $38 to $7.15. Okay, now that's a huge burn in options. Okay, huge, absolutely huge. Okay, so at one position I'm down $3,098. Okay, so now what I need to do, and you can see quality one, position size, and then what I could do here is what I'm noticing is Amazon is failing to go lower, right? It held 31.30, then it held this level here as well. You know what I mean? It failed to go from here to here. So this is still a higher low than this previous level right here, right? And then the green is a 8 and the yellow is a 21, and they're tightening, but they're also curling upwards. So I have some sort of conviction that, I'm looking at this based on my analysis. I'm going to add two more positions here, just two, no more than that, okay? I'm going to confirm and I'm going to send. Okay, so I've increased my risk by another $1,400, so almost around over 5,000 now. Is based on my expectations of Amazon, right? Like technicals make sense right now. It's making higher lows in the bigger picture. It is still in consolidation. I'm expecting some sort of move to come in Amazon. Okay, so this is June 18th. Let's fast forward to July a little bit. Right? If we fast forward to July, let's see what happened to the price of the price of Amazon and what happened to my shares, my premium. Okay. So as of July 2nd, okay, Amazon's shares, sorry, not July 2nd. This is, I believe, yeah, this is July 2nd. Yeah. So Amazon shares have moved up again. Instead of being down, I've recovered some of my potential here. My overall, my total cost is 10.95. Trade prices here you guys can see I went from down 3,800, now I'm up again, right? If we fast forward this just a little bit more to July 7th, okay, let's take a look at what's going on with Amazon. Now, keep in mind, July is earnings month for Amazon. Amazon is reporting on July 29th. Okay, so as you guys can see here, my 4,500 call went from down 3,800 to up $4,024. Okay, now my logic is that if they do not a stock split or something like that does happen, it can eventually go up quite a bit, right? Quite substantially, right? And now if we look at the chart again, it held the low here, right? And held it kept making ascending triangle, you could say, right, in a way here. And because of that ascending triangle pattern, you know what I mean, it kept bouncing higher and higher, right? So which gave me conviction to believe that, hey, this is actually not a move which is failing. So as you guys can see, I started with one position of Amazon, and I built that position by buying that same option, over and over again. Now, because I have time value on my side, so I have extrinsic value as well as intrinsic value if Amazon keeps increasing, right? So what I'm expecting is Amazon to keep going up in price. So this is how I build a lot of my positions and options, and I do like to give myself time. And keep in mind, some of your portfolios may be big, some of your portfolios may be small, but this is one way I like to utilize, or one strategy that I like to utilize to build positions in Amazon, or some of the bigger stocks, which I think can have an explosive move. I've done this with NVIDIA, and keep in mind, I use technical analysis, and I think technical analysis helps me with the conviction of my trade. Like, I could be wrong. That's why I only started with a $3,000 position, came down. I studied the chart, and I didn't panic sell. A lot of traders panic sell. Do not panic sell. Study the chart, be consistent with your trades, study the pattern, and then stick with your plan. If you stick with your plan, patience ends up paying off. Okay, as you guys can see, I could have easily taken $3,800 loss and exited the position and waited for a better entry. Sure, but if this continues to keep going, I will be up a lot of money. Okay, I hope you guys found this informative. I hope this video helped you guys out in just building positions. And Thinkorswim, their on-demand tool is great. I recommend you guys check it out. Okay, if you guys like this video and you liked what I showed you, or even if you didn't like it, please let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care. Bye bye.